What's up, guys? How are you? So, you guys know we've been trying to make like a lot of progress on the FD pretty quick. Realistically, my goal is to just get all the big stuff out of the way so we have time to do a lot of the custom stuff, a lot of the fab stuff, and just a lot of figuring out. So today is the last day of big stuff, I guess, kind of. We have to get a rear sump pan for my JZ so we can start test fitting it in the FD. So I found a motor in New York that has a rear sump pan on it that I'm buying the whole entire engine. I'm getting the whole engine for $250, and this pan setup usually goes for $400 to $800. So we're gonna go grab it. Me and Mike, so my buddy, yesterday's video, if you saw him, he has a truck, so he offered the drive, which is pretty sick. I was gonna put in the passenger seat of the Saturn, I didn't even care. But another long journey, but it's the last piece of the puzzle until we can start test fitting things. I'm excited. So, got my Red Bull, and I got cash. So let's hit the road. Here's my Uber. Where are you going?
What's up, homie?
It's gonna be an expensive Uber, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Oh boy. You ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Buy another 2J.
Yay! Yep. Almost fucking tagged that guy.
Where the hell did this just come from?
I have no idea. That's a cool ass view though. That's dope.
This came out of nowhere. Dude, where the hell did we go?
I have no idea. We've just been driving the backwoods for a grip, and then now we're just like at this nice view.
It's gorgeous, dude.
Man, that's actually really cool. Huh.
Nothing beats driving like 2 hours to meet up with someone from Facebook Marketplace and literally half the houses in the town being abandoned.
Yeah.
It's a great confidence building.
It makes you feel good.
Makes me feel great.
I had a buyer for this thing, but then when it came to do the deal, I couldn't find the title.
There it is, sump in the rear.
My brother bought like 83 cents of straps. I don't know why, but.
All right, guys, we're ready to go. Got the new 2J. All right, guys, once again, another JZ motor, but this one, of course, rear sump, and it has what we need, and that's all that matters. The pans are clean, and that's cool. So we're gonna get this home, take the pans off, and then scrap it. So, does anyone want a non-turbo 2J?
Giveaway.
With no pan? Oh well. All right, so, well, let's have some fun and get back on the road. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's go get some lunch first or something.
Yes, scrub is important.
Sure. Let's go. Hey, this thing's crispy. Friday rush hour. Gotta love it. More bridges.
Yay!
Going over so many damn bridges.
Yeah. So we ran out of phone battery at some point during this excursion, and Jimmy had to run across. We're in some random little town, and we had to go get a phone charger. And let's see. Moral of the story: charge your phones when you're going to buy things, so you know where you're going. Yay! Phone charger. Found one.
I swear we ended up in Mexico because not a single person here speaks English.
Oh, that's great.
It's funny. So I went to the market, and the only dude in the store was like, "Oh, I'll bring you where they have them." And he personally walked me off the block to another store, and they didn't have it. So that owner walked me to another store, leaving the store completely empty, and I had to overpay for this stupid table. Oh my god, dude, that was a trip.
How much did that cord cost you?
Dude, I don't want to talk about it. It was so much money. I tried bartering with them too, and they would not budge. He swore to me this is the best cable on the market. Best, what is it? IXCC, best cable out there. Yep. Not sponsored. What is it now? Oh, gotta love traffic.
Yep.
Oh, pain in the ass. This is just endless traffic. This is horrible. Oh, we're back! Thank God! What kind of mistake did you just make?
Not a mistake at all.
What the? Drew loves his hard bodies. It is pretty icy though. I see you.
For what I paid for it, tell them how many miles. 79K.
There you go. There she is.
Yes.
All farm miles.
It's been a farm truck for the last 4 years. But like, look at the bay. Like, It's got a new booster. It doesn't leak like mine.
Oh yeah, this is clean. Your front bumper isn't this clean either.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So like front end swap. They're like, look at this Dizzy cap. That's OEM. That's shit's. But
I feel you. I see you. I totally see you.
Hey, Dookie.
How's it look?
No, we're so straight.
Since this is a JZ motor, it's leaky, like every single one ever, and it's disgusting. So we're gonna wash it real quick, just so when we take it off, make life a lot easier. So we're gonna skip to it being washed. All right, guys, it's cleaner, clean enough to work on. So let's just get the impact gun and start taking things off. So first step, we're gonna remove the lower pan. So it just held on by like 10 mils.
Go. Shit though. The backpack we got.
Look it.
Tucker got completely in your way. His ear is literally half the frame. That's gonna be.
Suck. He always has to be leaned up against something.
Always getting in the way.
Perfect timing for B-Hall to show up.
Release the pan!
I know, this is a pain in the ass. Come on. Yeah. So much RTV on this thing. Oh, don't shake it. There's still oil in it.
I'm a good boy.
Hey. All right.
It looks highly metallic.
Oh yeah.
This
I think
boy.
I'm pretty sure this engine is seized. All right. So we realize the pickup comes next. This is what picks up the oil from.
Couple bolts, one more up there at the front. That he's holding.
This is what basically picks up the. You good, Tucker? Oh, that's true.
Why are you coughing, bro?
Jeff!
So this is what picks up the oil to go into your engine. Look how this is a thick one.
Yeah, and it's got a big old pickup. Nice thick Johnny for lots of suction action. What's next? You got some sort of like a windage tray?
Yeah, we gotta take that off next. I think.
Yeah, probably.
So I thought I had to pull my. Someone said you had to pull your crank pulley, so I pulled the crank pulley, and I don't see why we had to, but okay. Well, there we go. We're there.
1, 2, 3, 14.
Oh.
Ta-ta-ta. We did it! Hooray!
Oh, oil.
Oh God! No!
There it is. Upper oil pan. Sure there's something.
Why is there a tennis ball in here, dude?
Ask fucking Donald. 100% DJ.
Why is there a oh man, this lens is disgusting.
Alright, so here we go, guys. This is the new upper pan off the 2J we just picked up. And then here's the old one. And as you can see, it moves it back about
6 inches, 8 inches,
which is just enough. So, now the problem is we lose our factory turbo drain. As you can see right here, we have our oil out of our turbo that goes to the pan. But there is a template on this pan for one. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to drill and tap these holes right here and fully drill out this hole.
Okay, here she goes. Drop the pan onto her.
You got that thing off yet?
Yeah, here's the go. Oh my god, all I smell is gas. There. Ew. Someone didn't like to change the oil. Wow. Now is the fun part of literally cleaning
Kept the windows all the way down.
She's up a lawnmower with a vacuum and she
everything.
was like, she hadn't seen the push mower yet and he had it out on the lawn and she comes outside, she's
Let's get all the old RTV off. As you can see, these are channeled, so getting out of the channels is such a pain in the ass, but if you lightly wire wheel it, it doesn't take the pan off, and it gets all the RTV off, so it's pretty nice.
lot of times on
He's so cute.
Brand new, kind of. But part of me really wants to paint this and make this thing look like brand new, but it's just scratched up. You're not going to see it, so whatever. Alright guys, so this is the rear sump upper pan, and it actually comes with it's probably like a level sensor for your oil. The SC has it, the 1J does not, so I'm not going to need it. But what's cool about the 1J pan is it actually has a block off plate. So we're just going to take this one and put it here. You want this, Bree?
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Thanks, man. I've always wanted one of these.
Get that. Overdo some RTV.
Our wheel and like cut those out. I'm like, don't fucking touch it. Not sitting in your driveway.
B-Hall actually went to town on this. He did in the dark, so B-Hall, thank you. This I think is the best. We're gonna get it for now. I'm pretty happy with it. Inside and out. Nice and clean. So, yeah, I don't know what's this. Before we can put this all back together, we're gonna have to drill and tap the spot like we said before for the turbo drain. And we're gonna have to get the gasket for, where is it? The pickup tube, because I don't want to RTV it and I completely neglected that I need that. So hopefully Lexus has it tomorrow. If not, I guess we'll just RTV it. So we now have everything set up to do the rear sump conversion. Everything's all cleaned. All the surfaces are cleaned underneath. Clean, ready to go. All we have to do is tap the pan and get the gaskets and we should be all set. I was really trying to get this on tonight. B&B Hall really want to test fit the engine in the Mazda and we can't until we get the pan on. And it just got too late to get the stuff we needed, but it's okay. So tomorrow we're gonna get everything back. We're gonna get everything on the engine and we're finally gonna test fit the 1J into the FD and see how it fits, see how much cutting we have to do and see how much modding we have to do to the subframe. And I'm definitely excited. I know B-Hall's excited too.
Super excited.
Super excited. So now I have a SC300 JZ paperweight over here. So that's about it for today, guys. Spent my whole freaking day in traffic, but we got a lot done. This was a huge step to get this stuff. I was happy I was able to source it so fast. This is a huge step. So that's about it. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And B-Hall,
Have a great night.